Panasonic ACs come with a lot of useful features, but most people either don't know about them or never actually use them. And honestly, once you understand these properly, you'll start using your AC very differently. Hi, I am Pooja. I work with home appliances every day. ACs, TVs, washing machines, testing them hands-on in real Indian homes. And Panasonic ACs specifically have a lot of features that people just skip over. Now, one quick thing before we start. I am covering features across different Panasonic AC models currently available in India. Some of these might be specific to certain models like Wi-Fi models, premium models, 2026 models. So not every feature will be on every AC. But most of these are available across the current range you'll find on Amazon, Flipkart or offline stores. I'll mention where something is model specific. Cool. Let's go. Let's start with a button most people press once and forget. Powerful or quiet. Press it once, you get powerful mode. The AC runs at max compressor output, max fan speed for about 15 to 20 minutes. Room cools down fast. You come home to a boiling hot room. This is what you press instead of just setting 16 degrees and hoping for the best. Press it again, you switch to quiet mode. The AC drops to its lowest noise level. Fan slows down, compressor runs gently. Perfect for night time, light sleepers, or when you're working from home and don't want that constant fan noise. Most people only know the first press. Try the second one tonight. Now this one can genuinely save you real money on electricity. And most people have it on their AC but never touch it. On 2026 models, it's called Convertible, 8 stages of cooling. On 2025 models, it's 7-in-1 convertible. Same concept, you can run the AC at different capacity levels from 40% all the way up to over 100%. So think about it. If it's just you in the room at night, why run the AC at full capacity? Drop it to 40 or 60%, less power, room stays comfortable. Full family in the living room on a May afternoon, push it to 100% or above. You can adjust this directly from the Convert i8 button on the remote or from the MirAIe app on Wi-Fi models. Here is the thing. People set their AC to 24 degrees and think that's enough. But combining 24 degrees with a lower capacity stage, that's where the real saving happens. Now, if manually adjusting capacity sounds like too much effort, Panasonic has something called True AI mode on their Wi-Fi enabled models. Here is how it works. Through the MirAIe app, the AC senses outdoor weather conditions like temperature, humidity, and automatically adjusts the indoor temperature, mode, and fan speed. You don't set anything. The AI decides the most efficient way to keep you comfortable based on what's happening outside. So on humid monsoon evening, it might switch to a different mode and fan speed than on a dry summer afternoon, all on its own. Over a full summer, the energy savings from this adds up significantly. If your Panasonic AC has Wi-Fi and you're still manually adjusting everything, you are doing it the hard way. Okay, now this next one is genuinely important, especially for Indian conditions. DustBuster technology, available on newer Panasonic models. This uses an auto reverse flow fan in the outdoor unit. After the AC operates, the fan reverses direction and pushes accumulated dust out of the condenser coils. In India, where dust buildup on the outdoor unit is the number one silent reason your AC loses cooling over time. This can genuinely extend the life and performance of your AC. If you live in a dusty city like Delhi, Jaipur, or even just near a busy road, this feature matters. And on the indoor side, there is crystal clean. When you activate it, the AC freezes the evaporator coil and then defrosts it. That frosting and defrosting process cleans dust, pollutants and bacteria off the coil in about 15 minutes. It also dries the flap and filter area. Think of it like a deep clean from inside. Most Panasonic ACs in the current Indian range have this. Just activate it from the remote. Use it once a week or every 2 weeks for best results. Quick one that people overlook. All current Panasonic ACs sold in India come with a PM 0.1 filter. That means it captures particles as small as 0.1 microns, like dust, pollen, fine pollution particles. In cities with high pollution, this is genuinely useful. Just remember to clean this filter every 15 days for best performance. Pull it out, wash with water, dry it and put it back. If your Panasonic AC is a Wi-Fi model and you're not using the MirAIe app, you're missing a lot. Beyond basic on or off and temperature control, here is what most people don't explore. Custom sleep profiles. You can set an hourly temperature schedule for the entire night. So 24 degrees at 10 pm, 25 degrees at midnight, 26 at 2 am, and even set it to auto off at a specific hour. Completely customized to how you sleep. Filter cleaning notifications. The app tells you exactly when your filter needs cleaning based on actual usage, not just a random timer. Smart diagnostics. If something feels off with your AC, the app can detect issues and alert you before you even call a technician. Proximity control. Set a distance and the AC turns on as you approach home. Energy tracking. See your daily, weekly or monthly consumption to understand where your electricity is actually going. Oh, and Panasonic ACs are India's first Matter-enabled residential ACs. That means they work across Google Home, Alexa and other Matter-supported ecosystems, even devices from other brands. If you are building a smart home, this is future-proof. Few quick ones. To lock your remote so nobody accidentally changes settings, press temperature up and down buttons together. Same combo to unlock. Most Panasonic ACs work stabilizer free. 5-star and 4-star models between 100 to 290 volts. 3-star models between 145 to 285 volts. So unless you have extreme fluctuations beyond that range, skip the stabilizer. And all models support auto restart after power cuts. It resumes at your previous settings automatically. So those are the features on your Panasonic AC that you should actually be using. And I'm sure a lot of these were new for you. I've got a full AC playlist where I've compared brands and shared the best ones. I'll link it right here. And I've shared the best recommended ACs budget-wise in the description below with tagged products. Please check them out. If this helped, subscribe and turn on notifications. It keeps ClearBuy going. Drop a comment if you want tips and tricks for any other brand. Don't just buy. ClearBuy. See you soon.